This is a video of the Creek Boat M10 that I just purchased. This boat I got without the bait wheel, the pedals, and the cables. The guys at Creek Boats, Richard, were very accommodating with that. You'll see some screws here in the top of the gunnel, or rivets actually, that hold a little guide tube that the guide wires would go through. You put a trolling motor on it, so I'm glad they included that. Here's a little cut where the wire would come out and attached to your trolling motor back here. It does have a drain plug in it, and my decision was between the M10 and the M98. I couldn't make up my mind, but I finally decided that this gunnel here is a little bit different than the M98. You can see that it creates a little lip here, and I thought that would be useful for me to add a blind to it or to brush it out, and this might be able to hold a bungee here. We'll talk more about that later. Also, the M10 does not come with this support bracket that you see on the M98. Here's the bottom of the boat. So I bought this Creek Boat M10 primarily for duck hunting. I use it as a layout boat for duck hunting, and I wanted to grass it up. So I had some of this camo netting left over from a previous project. You can get it from Camo Systems. And I bought a 20-foot bungee cord online for about 10 bucks. It came with this clip. And then the grass, the cheapest place I found to buy grass is Joseph Stern company. They sell it. It's called Hanks. Buy the Hank, various colors available. 3 or 4 Hanks is plenty enough to do the whole boat. And as I mentioned before, I thought this little lip on the gunnel would hold my bungee cord, and it did when everything was dry, but when it got wet and muddy when actually hunting, the bungee cord didn't want to stay on there. So I bought a pack of J-hooks online. Here's what they look like. It was a 6-pack. It costs about $7 or $8, I think. And it fits this 1/4-inch bungee cord. And I'll show it to you once I get it all together. So here are the J-hooks installed. I got the blind on it. Just got the front of it grassed. I've got plenty of grass left over to do the back end. But normally where I hunt, the back end's tucked up on the bank underneath some shrubs, trees. So we'll see how it works. But I'm pleased with it. Very stable boat, easy to hunt out of. And what sold me on it was the light weight, 50 pounds, and excellent customer service.